Baked pink, salmon recipe. The initial step is to slice half of a large onion. Next, slice 3 medium tomatoes. Prepare olive oil, thyme, sage, black pepper, salt, mustard, and mayonnaise. Slice and pat dry a half-whole skinless pink salmon with a paper towel. Sprinkle salt and black pepper on the front and back. Then apply mustard. And mayonnaise. Rub them on the front and back. Squeeze the lemon over the salmon. Add sliced onions and tomatoes on top. Sprinkle thyme and sage. Drizzle olive oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. And while waiting for the salmon, let's prepare a side dish. Melt 2 tsp of butter in a pan and saute garlic. And add spinach for 2 minutes. Then sprinkle salt and pepper. After 30 minutes, the salmon is ready to serve. Plate it with steamed rice and butter garlic spinach. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more of my contents. Follow me on my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.